Hi everyone, Quick Helper here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a photo from an Instagram post. So let's dive right in. If you have already published a post, but you want to delete a photo, don't worry because we can actually do that. First, you have to go to your Instagram profile and find a post containing the photo you want to remove. Click on the post and open it. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select Edit. Swipe across to find the photo you wish to delete. Then tap on the trash can icon on the top left. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete. Finally, click on Done, located at the top right to save the changes. And voila, that's it. You've successfully deleted the photo from your Instagram post. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.